What happened back there, brother?
Oh, that shit was nasty.
That shit was nasty. I know. It smelled bad from where I was at. Hey. I saw the wake stop.
Where you at? Where you at?
What did it smell like?
Dude, it was that doo-doo mud, brother.
Dude, that shit smell like
Simple.
Shit. I don't know. Not where I was at.
Hole.
Dude, when that shit starts boiling from the bottom, it smells like straight sewer.
Yeah, it's terrible, dude.
Huh?
When it scoops that shit up out the bottom.
Gotta
Where
go
y'all
deep.
going?
Gotta go deep.
Gotta go deep. Double OF, baby. Double OF. So what are you gonna say? It was deep back there, dude.
Motherfucker was deep.
I'm telling you, man. We were bogging, or you were bogging, and I saw the wake stop, and I'm like,
Yeah,
that ain't good. And I started working my way out there, dude.
Yeah.
I'm like, not good. And you were already out at that point, or out of the buggy at that point.
It just went to nothing.
Yeah, that was some.
This ain't an average buggy. This is a machine.
A machine.
Yeah, we call this a machine.
It's a canned ham right here, baby.
It's a canned ham.
I'm a broke Polaris man, you know what I'm saying? Like,
It's got 105 horsepower.
shit, dude. I had to do a bunch of work just to get mine to 83.
Yeah.
Come on. Straight gas 93, baby. I'm supposed to be recording for this?
I don't care.
Okay, come on, I need commentary.
The Defender with a 10-inch lift and 6-inch portals and one size bigger tire just got stuck and had to back out that hole.
Yeah.
And then I just come into it, sat down, and tagged that
ate
down,
right into it.
tagged it to the floor, and
Right.
we just walked right on
Yes,
through.
sir. Let those high lifter portals eat with these meats right here, buddy. She dug right
That's
down
all
to
you
that
need
stank
right
shit, buddy. Right
If
to
that
that.
don't do it, then there ain't nothing. You don't even fuck with it.
I'm gonna end the video on that one. That's all that needs to be said right there, dude. For it. That's all you, bud. That's all you. My turn. Out here. Yes, sir. What's going on? Oh, puppy. He's living his best life for sure. Oh, we got another boy out here living a good life. Yes, sir.
You scared. Acting like a bitch. You scared.
Gotta get away from that. We're gonna get demonetized. Gotta get away from that. He doesn't follow me yet, but he will. I said you don't follow me yet, but you will. That's important. Damn, Timo. Got a little bearing noise going on in there now. A little squealy squeal.
It happens when I put a brand new belt on. That's real tight.
Yeah.
Once that bitch Once it gets to that wearing point, you know what I'm saying? Missing a few teeth.
Should be right. All right.
That's when you're in there.
Tell him, man. That shit right there. That's Timo the King right there.
I've hit it before.
Hey.
I'm not scared of it.
I'll be on the other side with the winch.
I just don't like how these trucks been going through.
I'm gonna get on the other side with the winch.
I'm right here with the winch. I'm going from it through the other side. Coming this way.
If you get stuck, my bike's right here.
I'm gonna go through it in this. Y'all ready?
What I'm talking about.
I'm gonna hit it.
It's the leader right here. You follow him.
Y'all follow me. I'm gonna tell y'all. Let's ride.
I got him to go through it, you know.
You know, I had to let him know. Who's your good boy? He's just staring at me.
They died, they left me.
What's up? Where we going? Huh? Where we going?
Rescue truck is fucking stuck.
Ah, that ain't no good. He was just pulled out like 15 minutes ago. Damn! Hey, you gonna go pull him out? You see the winch? I got him.
Girlfriend broke mine.
Yeah, what the fuck happened?
Hey, four-wheeler for sale. Hit my boy up. He'll regret it, but It's harder than it looks.
Yeah, that's cheaper.
Yeah, G-Crowd, that's their own lane, like, you know. They look at us and they're like, oh, why would you guys?
Commoners.
Yeah, side by sides. Heck no. What are we drinking on?
Budweiser.
A Budweiser?
Christmas edition.
Christmas edition, that's festive.
That's
It tastes Christmassy. My hat off. Yo!
Happy New Year.
Heck yeah! Red, white, and blue.
Hey, look at that side-by-side shiny cross. Little thing.
Dude, I got a video at Black Hole of an old ass man, dude, in a Pioneer pushing a wake, dude.
I'm just kidding. I
Say, pull your finger?
Make me shit myself.
was just kidding, bro. I pulled too hard.
Yeah. Big money.
Do it for YouTube, baby!
Hey, you did say you're gonna blow your diff.
Oh, Hendo!
He's henning right now for sure.
I think we need a little bit more.
Why does he look like Hitler? For real, hey, Hitler! Put the fucking cheeseburger down, bud!
You hear the diff? You know what you gotta do, right? Forward down. You know what that is, right? That's them cams, boys, that timing, all that fuel made it shut off. Horsepower. Yeah. Too much horsepower,
Got a
dude.
Chevy motor in it.
Fire, dude.
Does it really?
Maybe. We got a little action going on. We got a guy in the water now.
Got waders on.
Yeah. Whoop, up, up, up. This is Eddie.
I know.
I don't know if you heard me yelling, but
I think it's zoomed in like that.
bro, this having zooms night and day.
Fuck the GoPro, bro. Honestly, just
Yeah, my phone's dead though already, but I've got, you know, maybe 30 videos. Oh, Eddie again with the stuckness. Bro, I got him earlier at Black Hole. He was hitting a canal and the wake just stopped. And I'm like, he's stuck.
that's rough shit there.
Bro, Heinz has a full-size drone. That's the same brand as the one I was trying to buy if I wanted the mini one.
What's your plans today?
This.
All night? Drop parents off?
Yeah, I don't know. We haven't really talked about it. I'm out.
What's up, buddy?
You guys put that shit on YouTube?
Hell yeah, dude. You got a
Dude, he's
YouTube.
been asking me to start.
You got
telling
a
people.
see, this is the first
Yeah,
one. Well,
I
I've been
know.
telling you, bro. Like 20 people came up to me.
Sid was it?
You got a channel or an account that you
I
can
do, but
subscribe?
I
Because
don't
I'll tell
know.
you.
I don't know what it is. but-
3, 2, 1, Mud Buddy. That's all.
Okay.
We got hella shit like out here. We're from here, so
Yeah.
we come out here all the time.
But I've got Plant Bamboo, Redneck Yacht Club, a whole bunch of shit up on the channel
That's
already.
cool. Yeah, I'm driving that old blue piece of shit.
Which one?
Well, with the hooders. I come ripping through here just a minute.
Oh yeah, the blue Ford. Yeah, no, I got you. I got you for sure.
You're on it all day.
Yeah, we ain't here to get groceries.
Damn right, no, dude. This is what I'm here for. I've been working all day. Holding this bad boy.
So 3, 2, 1 Mud Buddy?
Yes, sir. Mud Buddies. Because all of our subscribers, bro, we're all Mud Buddies.
Like you're probably on here from earlier.
Yeah, I probably got some footage
We
here
were at
earlier
Black
too.
Hole.
I just got here.
Oh really?
Yeah. I just put a brand new fucking motor in my truck.
Alright. Well, it's doing its job.
Yeah, it's alright. I broke into cam last night.
I was gonna say that's a hell of a way. I was say that's a hell of a break-in, dude.
It was running a little rich right here, right? Was that you shut
Yeah,
off here,
you're
right?
shut off right here. Like backfire.
I haven't snorkeled it yet.
Gotcha.
I had a snorkel and I got them fucking hooders and I had to get rid of it. So
It's funny
I'm just running
because
regular
when
ass.
you stop, like I turn the camera over here and I'm like, this is horsepower right here. It's some big old high lift cams, too much fuel, so you had to just cut out, you know. So you'll probably hear that for sure.
Yeah, it got a little wet.
Yeah, but it's on there.
Can't wait to do that.
Eddie!
Oh my god. Dude, look at that seaweed.
My brother.
Got like a pound of seaweed.
Hey, that guy better be careful, man. That's where Eddie was just at.
Yeah.
Eddie just tore it up now.
He
Shit.
gets stuck where I went, he got caught.
He stops before he goes in the hole every time. Damn, there's a dog out here mudding. Let's see if I can get his ass.
I'll see y'all later.
All right, bud. Have a good one. Hey, you gonna?
One day.
Hey, you gonna do something sweet for me? All righty.
He's going backwards.
He's hit it in reverse, Terry.
That's gonna be a big thing to get out of here.
Like that. sure. Did that bitch just wheelie a little bit? Come on, buddy! Swim on over! Come on! He broke something. Brokey.
I mean, he was the one doing the crab walk.
Yeah. He's got rear steer. Yeah.
That's a short wheel.
That's what you call a full-size side-by-side. With AC, yeah. It's a limited.
It's only 2-door.
Got a trunk.